everybody. Welcome to Noah's Morning Cooking Channel. Today, I woke up before everybody else, for some reason, and made gravy. Ooh, cinematic shots of some fire gravy. Gravy, woo! Biscuits look done. Heck yeah. Everything is coming along nicely. I probably need to make Braxton some regular sausage. I think I hear Braxton waking up.
What up?
I'm really glad Braxton takes me out here. It's freaking lit. Anderson's got good food. I got good food sometimes. Need to stir my gravy because I've been talking too much. But yeah, all you need for gravy is pretty simple. I learned it because I wanted to make biscuits and gravy and impress people my age. But I use sausage, butter, flour, and salt and pepper, and milk to thicken it up. But yeah, you put the butter in, and then the sausage. Get the sausage cooked mostly, and then put flour in, and then wait for it to brown, and then put milk in, and then yeah, you keep stirring it until it looks like that. And it takes a long time if it's good gravy. Ah, that's some good gravy. Compliments to the chef.
What up, guys? We haven't been doing a whole lot today. We have just been hanging out, really. About 6 o'clock. I have to do a chore for my brother. In one of his ponds, he has cattails growing, which is edible, by the way. A little fun fact. Anyway, so we got to get the little pontoon boat and put it in the pond and clear out some of these cattails. I don't know, that's just something they wanted done while we're up here, so we're going to do that. We haven't done much today, like I said. All that we did really was
make way for this sexy beast right here.
oh my gosh. This man's in his undies. Oh.
Guess what, brother?
What up, brother?
We went swimming.
We went swimming, son. Down by the river. Down by the river.
I live in a van down by the river.
Anyways, we went swimming down by the river, and today was really a lazy day. We didn't do much at all. That's why this video is probably going to be pretty short for day 2. We've also been filming the horror film today, so that's going to be a separate video, but we've been doing that, so that's going to take a little while. So yeah, we got more of that to do later on tonight. Anderson's inside cooking up some hamburgers and possibly hot dogs. I'm not really sure. So yeah, let's get this pontoon boat out on the ponds then.
I like my crayfish with the shells on.
Oh my!
I'll take that straight out of the river. Eat that raw. Don't get too far in before I get in. You alright?
This is a Brokeback Bushcraft.
This is what happens whenever you try and get cattails out of a pond. haven't touched a woman in days.
We got a lot of cattails drug out.
Should have done it before and after.
Yeah. Then Anderson pushed the boat and I fell in. And
That was my favorite part.
And then we started slapping each other with mud.
Now, how do you feel about it? Toe looks pretty messed up, Braxton.
Yeah, I busted that whenever you pushed the boat when I fell in.
That's great.
Yeah.
It's the way to
I didn't
remember me.
expect it to be that deep. I couldn't touch in the middle of that pond. Cold showers are good for you, they say.
Alright, everybody. We're just about ready to go hunting. As you can tell. Braxton's just dead. Braxton.
What?
Get up, we're going hunting.
That one probably was a little something else coming out. Okay, yeah, something definitely coming out. I'm getting out of here. That's nasty.
That's how you get them up.
Alright, y'all. I don't know if you can see me. It's kind of dark on the lens. But we are out here squirrel hunting this morning. It's about, what, 5 o'clock?
Yeah, squirrel or rabbit hunt, another one.
Whatever we can find. Wish us luck, Noah.
We're going deer hunting.
We're going coyote hunting.
We're hunting for whatever we can find. Hopefully something that we can eat. We're getting kind of hungry. We ran out of food last night.
Ran out of food last night. Yeah.
2 hours later.
Alright, y'all. We getting ready for round 2. Ain't that right, Noah?
Yeah, buddy.
Braxton ain't found anything yet. Where is it?
Still in the trees.
Yeah, still in the trees. Got our boy Johnny here. He's a real nut. Well, we got one. Noah is reluctant to give up. So, I guess we'll skin him and store him for if we find any more.
We're waiting to get at least 3 so that way we can all have one.
Yeah.
Gonna eat that baby raw. Starting the head all the way to the tail.
We only got one this morning, but we still got time to get some more. But we're gonna skin this before it gets too bad. Be patient with me. I haven't done this in about a year. I think I'm doing it right. If I can remember what my grandpa taught me. As long as you get the skin off, it doesn't really matter.
My daddy always told me you just shove a stick in its poo hole and then you hold it over the fire for an hour. You clean your teeth out with its claws.
Oh. Oh boy.
Sucks.
Oh shoot, you just strip it like a sock, son.
Keep a hold of it.
Hold on. There you go. Oh, I'm about to fall off the porch.
Now,
Cut off its paws.
And then decapitate it.
You should probably use that pelt for something.
Not after I'm done with it. I'm not a master skinner.
Alright. One leg right there. It's actually a pretty decent sized little leg.
Back legs are always good.
Almost got his paw off.
Just quartering it up now. Is that for good luck? Oh, that's a rabbit's paw. Never mind. There we go. For anybody out there, it's like, oh no, the poor squirrel. All it is a rat that lives in the trees. And it's good eating, apparently. Ain't that right, Noah?
Yep.
Never actually had squirrel. Making some batter.
Oh,
I'm gonna put some of these bad boys in there. Put some of these bad boys in there. I'm gonna have fried green tomatoes and fried squirrel. Sounds delicious. This is as much as we could get out of that one squirrel, which is actually more than I had originally thought. I didn't think we'd get nearly that much. What do you think, Anderson?
I think my back hurts because I fell off my four-wheeler. Got a big old swollen knot right on the left side of my spine. And now I'm over here whipping the batter. Don't know how.
Oh boy. Got Chef Anderson over here. Anything fried tastes good, right?
Be fried enough.
That's the end of the trip. Hope y'all enjoyed. Got old Anderson. We got old Noah right here. We're enjoying the fire the last night we got. And we're headed out in the morning to fix the four-wheelers. Because they're broken. Loaded up. We'll see you guys next time. Bro Boys Bushcraft. Signing off.